Okay, students, now we shall pass on to the problem number 3. Arun and Selvam are partners who maintain their capital accounts under fixed capital method. Once you are given some instruction, accounts are under fixed capital account, you must prepare both these parts. That is fixed capital account and current account. They need not say prepare fixed capital account and current account. Once you are told to prepare the capital account under fixed capital method, you should prepare both. It will not be separately mentioned. You should prepare both. This is the first idea, you should bear it in mind. So this capital account is fixed. The first one, capital as on 1st January 2018, 1/1/2018 by balance brought down. The two partners named Arun Selvam. Balance brought down amount is 2,20,000. And for Selvam's 1,50,000. 1,50,000. And the next one, second item is current account on 1st January. This should appear under current account. I am doing both the sums now simultaneously. Wherever the entry should be passed, I will pass the entry. The second entry comes under current account. Current account on 1st January 2018, that is 1/1/2018. Here also it is by balance brought down. Arun Selvam. Here also Arun Selvam. Rupees. The same thing here also. Arun Selvam. Arun Selvam. Okay, now this is current account on 1st January 1/1/2018. For Arun it is the debit balance. So on the debit side 1/1/2018 to balance brought down. For Arun debit balance 4,250. Selvam no debit balance, but for Selvam it is a credit balance 10,000. 10,000. Then the third one, additional capital introduced during the year by bank account. By bank account, this you can write additional capital. Who is introducing the additional capital? Arun nil, but Selvam is introducing 70,000. 70,000. Right. Then the next one, withdrew for personal use, that is drawings. Drawings and the interest on drawings will appear on the debit side because it reduces his capital, like balance or loss. Whereas the interest on capital will be on the credit side. Salary, commission, all these items are income, we should write it on the credit side. Therefore, the next one, withdrew for personal use, that is drawings to drawings. You write the last date of the year 31/12/2018 to drawings. Drawings amount is 10,000, 20,000. 10,000, 20,000. Interest on drawings, the same dates. To interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is 750, 600. $750, $600. Then the next item will be share of profits by profit and loss account or profit and loss appropriation account. This is 31/12/2018. 31/12/2018 by profit and loss account 22,000, 15,000. 22,000, 15,000. Then the next item is interest on capital. This is also an income to the partners by interest on capital. By interest on capital 1100, 750. $1,100, Then by commission, commission is also an income to the partners. By commission, but commission is given only to Arun, not for Selvam. 6,900, not for Selvam. Then the last item, salary. It is an income to the partner. By salary, Arun, no salary is given, but for Selvam, salary is given 6,850. 6,850. Now, we have written everything, all the items here. We can close it. Yes, you can see the totals now of Arun here. 0, 7, 8, 10, 30,000 it comes. Here only 14,000 something. So write the greatest total. For Arun, the total on the credit side is 30,000. on the debit side is 15,000, which is the greatest total. You should attend partner by partner, not both the partners debit side, not both the partners credit side. Partner by partner. We are attending now Arun's account. What is there in Arun's account? So 30,000, here 15,000, the greatest total is 30,000. You write on both sides. The balancing figure is 15,000. Here is the balancing figure because the total is lesser on the debit side. For this, you should write to balance, carry down. The date is the last date, same last date. Now we can attend the Selvam's. What is the total of Selvam's account? There on the credit side, 25, 31, 5 plus 5, 0. Oh, 32,600. 32,600. Whereas on the debit side, 20,600. So the balancing figure is 12,000. So which is the greatest total of both the sides? 32,600. You write on both sides. 32,600. Now the balancing figure is on the debit side. The amount is 12,000. Since we have written already for Arun the balance carried down, the same side Selvam is also getting the balance. Therefore, we are writing to balance carried down 15,000 for Arun and 12,000 for Selvam. So the next month, first date 1/1/2019 by balance brought down. 15,000, 12,000. Now we have completed current account. We shall go to the fixed capital account. This is 2,20,000 total. Here also 2,20,000 total. Here no figure is appearing, so the same total 2,20,000. 2,20,000 and the amount balancing figure is 2,20,000. Here also 2,20,000 and against it to balance carried down. The date for this is the last date of the month 31/12/2018. 31/12/2018. So, if possible, you can write 1/1/2019 balance brought down there as and here by balance brought down the same 2,20,000 and 2,20,000. The date is 1/1/19. 1/1/19. Okay, now once again repeat the same. It is the problem number 3 given, and we shall see the points given under this problem. You are supposed to prepare the fixed capital account. When you are asked to prepare the fixed capital account, you should prepare both the accounts. This need not be mentioned in the question. Once you are asked to prepare fixed capital account, you must prepare the current account also. And in this fixed capital account, the capital in the beginning, additional capital introduced, both these items only will appear and other items will appear in current account only. That you should bear it in mind. So the first date of the year, the balance 2,20,000, 1,50,000, and after some time he is introducing 70,000. Selvam is introducing some amount during the year. So the date is not mentioned, sir. Therefore I did not put it. So by bank account, additional capital here. Additional capital 70,000 for Selvam. Find the total 2,20,000 for both. You write the same for carry down and you write the same for brought down also. But in the second part, other than these two capitals, the rest of the items should appear under current account. The income will appear on the credit side, the expenses will appear on the debit side. And before that, there is a current account balance given. For Selvam, it is a credit balance and therefore by balance brought down, credit side it is returned. But for Arun, it is the debit balance given, debtor is given, and therefore two balance brought down is returned for Arun. And for the rest, profit share by profit and loss account, income, interest on capital income, commission only to Arun, it is an income to Arun, salary only to Selvam, it is an income to Selvam. Likewise here, drawings of Arun 10,000, Selvam 20,000. The interest on drawings paid by Arun is 750, paid by Selvam is 600. That's all regarding that. We have attended all the items. Now we can find the total. When you close the account, whether it is capital account or current account, we should do it partner by partner. So we are taking first the Arun account. For Arun, the credit total is 30,000, whereas the debit total is only 15,000. Now what is the balancing figure? 15,000 is the balancing figure. Therefore we are writing to balance carry down 15,000. In case of Selvam, the credit side total is 32,600 and the debit side total is 20,600 only, and the balancing figure is 12,000, what I have written it here. So both the balances are appearing on the debit side at the end of the year. Therefore to balance carry down for Arun 15,000, Selvam 12,000. This carry down will be here as brought down 15,000, 12,000. For carry down, last date of the year, whereas for brought down, the next month first day. That's what I have written. Okay, thank you. We shall continue tomorrow.